Good morning, dear students. All are fine. Have you done your homework? Have you complete your note, max note? If didn't complete, immediately complete your max note. Can we start today lesson? Can we start? In previous class, what we discussed? What we discussed? We discussing about what? We discussing about what? We are discussing the lines, is it? Yes. We also discuss lines, angles, complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjoint angles, is it? Yes. Today we are going to discuss some transversal lines. That is, if we have two lines, one line is transversing, this line is transversal, this line name is L and this is M. That is, these two lines, the line H is transversal, is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. That is, here is the transversal line make a angle with the line L, is it? Yes. Here also a angle making, is it? That is, here also a angle is the transversal line make a angle with M here, and here is also a angle, and this is also a angle, and that is, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 angles making with the transversal line H making with M. 4 angles. Here also we can count 5, 6, 7, 8. Just we give the natural numbers or counting, that is 5, 6, 7, 8. That is, here is also 4 angles making. 4 angles making. Is it? Yes. That is, here the angle 1 and 3 are opposite angles. 1 and 3 are opposite angles. And here is 4 and 2. 4 and 2. Also opposite angles. Also opposite angles. Here is 7 and 5. 6 and 8. In the case of here, these are opposite angles. These are opposite angles. And next, we are discussing about angle 4 and 1. Angle 4 and 1. Or angle 1 and angle 4. These are angles. Angle 1 and 4 are linear pair. Linear pair. Here also are 3 and 2 are also linear pair. Otherwise we can say 4 and 3. 4 and 3 is also linear pair, and 1 and 2 is also linear pair. Is it? Yes. And next is 7 and 8 is linear pair. What do you mean by linear pair? Linear pair angles. That is, linear pair angles means they have common vertex and the angle sum is supplementary. Is it? Supplementary means 180 degree. Is it? Yes. So here 5 and 6 also linear pair. 5 and 6 also linear pair. And next we are going to discuss about angle 2 and 8. Angle 2 and 8 are the same side of transversal lines. Is it? That is angle 2 and 8. Angle 2 and 8 is the same side of interior angles. Is it? This angle is interior and the having same side. Having same side of transversal, and here 2 is below the line and 8 is upper the line part. Is it? Yes. So these angles also supplementary. These angles also supplementary. Is it clear? Yes. And next is 8 and 3. 8 and 3. That is 8 is here and 3 is here. When M and L are parallel lines, M and L, here is the denote the parallel lines. M parallel to L. That is H is transversal line, and angle 8 and 3. Angle 8 and 3 are we call alternate angles. Alternate angles, and if M and L are parallel, these angles are equal. These angles are equal. And angle 1 and 8. Angle 1 and 8. That is we call corresponding angles. We call corresponding angles. If M and L are parallel, then the corresponding angles also equal. That is in parallel lines, when we have a transversal line also there is also, then we can say the alternate angles and corresponding angles are same. The alternate angles are same, and also the corresponding angles are also same. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. You can say here linear pairs property, or angle sum property, or corresponding angles, or alternative angles, or opposite angles. These are applicable here. These are applicable here. Can we start our exercise? Are you ready? That is, in your textbook, just read the page 105 to 109. There is 3 properties are given in box. That is, the alternate angles are equal and corresponding angles are equal. Is it? Yes. So we can start our try this. That is, we want to find that is here line L and M. Here is a transversal line T. Here is 60 degree. We want to find X. We want to find X. What is the answer? What is the value of X? That is already given that L parallel to M and T is a transversal line. Is it? Yes. And here is this angle is 60 degree and we want to find X. We want to find X. So what is the answer? So what is the answer? What is the answer? Answer is 60 degree. Why? What is the reason? X equal to 60 degree. X equal to 60 degree. Because its alternate angle its alternate angle is 60 degree, so it must be in what? 60 degree. Is it? Is it? Yes. And next try this. A parallel to this line is A, this line is B, and transversal line is C. We want to find Y. We want to find Y. Is it? Yes. What is the answer? Anyone can say? Anyone can say what is the value of Y? Yes, good. That is 55. What is the reason? That is Y and this angle and these angles are alternate angles. So Y is equal to 55 degree. Y is equal to 55 degree. Is it? Is it clear? And next to try this is try this page number is 109. And this is L1 and this is L2 and this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. This is angle 1 and this is angle 2. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes. That is L1 and L2 are two lines and this is T. This is T transversal and here is also line L1 and L2 and this is transversal line T and here is angle 1 and angle 2. What is the question? Question is angle 1 equal to angle 2? Is angle 1 equal to angle 2? Is it correct? Is it correct? Is it correct? What is your answer? Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Is it right? No. Why? Why? Because these are alternate angles. These are alternate angles, but line L1 and L2 are not parallel. We have no information for that L1 parallel to L2. So we can say what we can say. No, the angles are not same, not equal. Is it? Is it right? Is it right? Yes. And next try this is. Next try this is. This line is L. This line is M. And this is 60 degree. And this is Z. We want to find the value of Z. We want to find the value of Z. What is the answer? That is L parallel to M. L parallel to M. We already discussed that L parallel to M and T is transversal line. T is transversal line. This is according to question. L is parallel to M and T is transversal, and so we know that the interior angle is sum is or supplementary angles. So z equal to what? 180 minus 60 degree. 180 minus 60 degree. Then we can write 120 degree. 120 degree. That is z equal to 120 degree. Answer is z equal to 120 degree. Is it? Yes. And next two are for your homework. So you just write the homework in your notebook and find the solution. Any doubt, contact me. And next is there is another try this. That is here page number 110. This is 50 degree and this also 50 degree. This is 50 degree and this is also 50 degree. That is, this is L and this is M and this is T. L, M, T. Is it? Question is it L parallel to M? Is L parallel to M? If L parallel to M, then Y. Then Y. That is here L parallel to M. Yes, L parallel to M. Because the angles are alternate angles. These angles is same. So L parallel to M. And next one is for another question. This is also L and this is M. This is T and and this is 130 degree. Is it? Yes. Yes. And next is we want to find what L parallel to M is L parallel to M. That is here we considering these angles. That is here what is the answer? Here what is the answer? Here when we considering as a linear pair, here these angles are linear pair, so we can write this angle is 130 degree. 130 degree. Why? Because the sum of or linear pair means sum is 180 degree. That is 180 degree minus 50, we get 130 degree. That is, this is considering these two angles, the corresponding angles are equal. So this is parallel lines. This is parallel lines. That is L parallel to M and T is transversal because the corresponding angles are the corresponding angle of this angle is this. So these angles are same. So we can say L parallel to M. And third one is for your homework. You can find the answer. And next one is we are going to discuss about our exercise 5.2, our last exercise. First question is, state the property that used in each of the following statement. State the property that is used in each of the following statement. That is, question figure is exercise 5.2. 5.2. First question. This line is A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8. Is it? Yes. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These angles. First one is if A is parallel to B. If A parallel to B, then angle 1 equal to angle 5. Angle 1 equal to angle 5. If A parallel to B, then angle 1 equal to angle 5. We want to state the property. We want to state the name of the property. What is the properties? That is, according to parallels, there are alternative angles and corresponding angles, linear pair angles or opposite angles. Here, angle 1 is here and angle 5 is here. A and B are parallel lines. Then we can write angle 1 equal to angle 5 because A and B are parallel lines. These angles are corresponding angles. These angles are corresponding angles. That is the solution. That is, this angle is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. And next one is what? Next question is if angle 4 equal to 6, angle 4 equal to 6, angle 4 equal to angle 6, then A parallel to B. A parallel to B. What is the reason or what is the property? A parallel to B. What is the property? What is the property? What is the property? That is, property is, here is 4, angle 4 and here is angle 6. Then what is the name of angle is alternative angles. The angles are alternative angles. So A parallel to B. The reason is, or the property name is alternative angles. Alternative angles. And third one is what? Third question is if angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. Then A parallel B. Then A parallel B. That is, here is 4 and 5 are interior angles. Then the angles are supplementary. So A parallel to B. So A parallel to B. Is it? Yes. And second one is for your homework. Second question is for your homework. Following like this, you can write or find the corresponding solutions. And next is third one. this is figure, this is, here is 125 degree, 125 degree, here is F, here is E, here is A, B, C, D. Question is, in the enjoying figure, P is parallel to Q. P is parallel to Q. Find the unknown angles. Find the unknown angles. Here first we can write D equal to 125 degree. Because why? Reason is these angles are corresponding angles. These angles are corresponding angles. Is it? Yes. And next is A. A is, here is D is, we get D is 125 degree. That is, these angles are corresponding. And next is F equal to F and D are interior angles. Is it? On same side. So we can write F plus D equal to 180 degree. F plus D equal to 180 degree. That is, here F is what? We didn't know. That is F equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree. 125 degree. That is, we can write what? 55 degree. 55 degree. That is, F is 55 degree. Then A equal to what? A equal to 55 degree, because A and F are alternative angles. So we can write A equal to 55 degree. And B equal to what? B equal to also what is 125 degree, because B and D are opposite angles. B and D are opposite angles. Is it? Yes. And so we can write 125 degree. And next is C. C equal to 55 degree. C equal to 55 degree. That is, A equal to 55 degree, B equal to 125 degree, C equal to 55 degree. Is it? And D equal to 125 degree, and E equal to also what? What is F? That is 55 degree. That is, E is also 55 degree, because these angles are opposite angles. These angles are opposite angles. So E is 55 degree. And next is fourth question. Fourth question. What is the answer? What is the answer? We want to find the value of x in each of the following figure. L equal to L parallel to M. L parallel to M. Then we want to find the answer. That is, here is 110 degree. So here also 110 degree, because these angles are corresponding angles. These angles are corresponding angles. So here is 110 degree, and this is in linear pair. So here is, we can write 70 degree. 70 degree. Or otherwise you can choose, here is 110 degree, because these angles are opposite angles, and here we take the angles, then we can write these angles are, or these angles are supplementary, we know. So we can say, or we can write these angles 110 degree plus x equal to 180 degree. That is x equal to 180 degree minus, that is here 110 degree plus x equal to 180 degree is x equal to 180 degree, 180 degree minus 110 degree, that is 70 degree, that is 70 degree. The answers are same. And next is, for your homework, following like this, you can use alternative angles or corresponding angles, then you can write, or you get the solution for that question. Second part question is homework, fourth question second part is homework, and fifth question is is it? This is our figure, and this angle is 70 degree. This angle is 70 degree. That is, we want to find the angles. Angle DGC and angle DEF. We want to find angle DGC and angle DEF. We want to find these angles. That is, this angle is 70 degree, and there are also one condition. In the given figure, arms of two angles are parallel. That is, these lines are parallel. So what is the angle DGC? That is, angle DGC is DGC. This angle, that is, these lines are parallel. So this is, we can consider as this is as a transversal. Then this angle is 70 degree. This is one arm of first angle, and this is one arm of this angle. Is it? Or this? Is it? Yes. That is, angle DGC equal to 70 degree. Angle DGC equal to 70 degree. Is it? Yes. And next is angle DEF. DEF. That is, this arm and this arm are parallel according to question. We are considering the line D as a transversal. Then this is also 70 degree, because these are corresponding angles. That is, angle DEF equal to 70 degree. That is, these two angles are 70 degree. Is it clear? Okay. And next question is sixth question for your homework. The question is, in the given figures below, decide whether L is parallel to M. We want to decide. That is, you can discuss or write the properties First, that is, we finish out this chapter. We finished the chapter. In this chapter, we discuss what we discussed. First, we discussed triangle, and next, already we know that in triangle the angle sum is 180 degree. Is it? Yes. And in triangles, three types angles are occurring. That is acute angle. Acute angle is below 90 degree. Obtuse angle is above 90 degree. And right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. And next we are discussing the complementary angles. That is, complementary angle is what is? Complementary angle is the sum of two angles are, when we take the sum of two angles, we get 90 degree, then we can say the angles are complement. Angles are complement. Next we are discussing the supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Is it? Yes. We discussed it. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means when we take two angles sum, we get 180 degree. Sum as 180 degree. Then we can say the angles are supplement. The angles are supplement. Next we discuss what is? We discuss the lines, parallel lines. Is it? Yes. That is, we discuss the parallel lines, and also we discuss the linear pair. Linear pair we already discussed. Linear pair. And next is what is? We discussed the adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. These are we discussed in this chapter. And next chapter is 6th chapter. We are going to discuss our new chapter. Are you ready to start? That is, chapter name is Triangle and its properties. Triangles and its properties. Sixth chapter, triangles and its properties. And its properties. This is short form of properties. Property. And in this chapter, what is the name of our chapter? Triangles. Is it? Triangles. First we discuss the property of triangle. First we discussing the property of triangles. Triangles means this is a triangle. Triangle ABC. According to triangle, it have three vertices. Three vertex. That is, A is a one vertex, and B is a another vertex, and C is also another vertex. That is, triangle have three vertex. Triangle have three vertex, and the AB is a side of this triangle, AC is a side of this triangle, and BC is also a side of this triangle. AB is a side of this triangle, and AC is a side of triangle, and BC is also a side of this triangle. Is it? Yes. That is, triangle have three vertex, triangle have three sides, and triangle have three angles. Triangle have three angles. We can say the angles: angle A, angle B, angle C. Angle A and angle B and angle C. These are three angles. Or otherwise we can say angle BAC. That is, the center part is the angle. We specifying the angle's position. That is BAC. Otherwise you can say CAB. That means angle A. That means angle A. And next is The angle sum is 180 degree. Angle sum is 180 degree. Angle sum is 180 degree, and below 90 degree angles we call acute angle. Above 90 degree angle we call obtuse angle, and 90 degree we call the right angle. 90 degree is right angle, below 90 degree acute angle, above 90 degree obtuse angle. These are the triangles properties. In next class, we discussing about the properties of triangles. These are the basic information for triangles. Information about triangles. And is it clear? Triangle have 3 vertex, 3 sides, 3 angles, and angle sum is 180 degree, and vertex are A, B, C. Angles are angle A, angle B, angle C. Sides are, what is sides? Sides are AB, AC, BC. Is it? Yes. And the angles name acute angle, obtuse angle, and right angle. So I wish you a good day. See you in next class. Thank you.